State Correctional Institution. Frackville is a maximum security correctional facility for males off Interstate 81 in Ryan Township in rural Schuylkill County, Pennsylvania, on the outskirts of Frackville and about 40 miles northwest of Reading. In 2017, the Pennsylvania Department of Corrections considered closing the prison as part of an attempt by the state government to reduce the state's budget deficit. However, the prison was spared closure. Had Frackville closed, it would likely have dealt a significant blow to the local economy, as it employs over 400 staff. Construction and development of Frackville. Construction of Frackville cost $33 million to construct and spurred development of motels and other businesses in the area. Notable prisoners. George Fegley served part of his sentence at Frackville. He and his wife Sandra's website www.prisoners.com was highly critical of the prison. See also: List of Pennsylvania state prisons. References. External links. Penna. Department of Corrections, Frackville.